Meaning of heavy-handed.
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 Heavy-handed. Heavy-handed means using excessive force, severity, or harshness in dealing with a situation or person. When someone is heavy-handed, they lack subtlety and tact, often causing unintended consequences and negative outcomes. This approach can lead to resentment, rebellion, or anger from the people affected by it. Being heavy-handed may be effective in certain situations, but it is generally viewed as a negative trait that can damage relationships and cause unnecessary stress. It is important to strike a balance between firmness and sensitivity when dealing with others to avoid being heavy-handed.